The average global temperatures are rising alarmingly in the past decade. Have you ever stopped to ponder the ripple effects of a single-degree rise in Earth's average temperature? It's more than just a little extra sweat on a summer day. Summers are becoming warmer and warmer. It's a catalyst for catastrophic storms, devastating droughts, and rising sea levels. But don't despair. There will be extreme weather. Amid these challenges, there's hope, resilience, and innovation. Let's delve into the ways people around the globe are grappling with the effects of global warming and the strategies they're employing to mitigate its impact. First, consider the humble seaweed. Scientists have discovered that these underwater plants can absorb and store carbon dioxide, one of the primary greenhouse gases. So, farming the sea with these green warriors could help to reduce the amount of carbon dioxide in our atmosphere. The bonus: seaweed also makes for a nutritious addition to our diets. Next, picture a world where our buildings and roads absorb sunlight and transform it into renewable energy. This isn't a science fiction fantasy, but a reality that's burgeoning in cities around the world. Solar panels have been integrated into the design of buildings and the surface of roads, harnessing the power of the sun to fuel our lives in a sustainable way. Agriculture, too, is evolving to meet the challenges of global warming. Farmers are adopting techniques such as agroforestry, where trees and crops are grown together, creating a mutually beneficial relationship. The trees provide shade for the crops, reducing the need for water, while the crops help to prevent soil erosion. It's nature working in harmony to combat the effects of a warming planet. In the face of rising sea levels, architects are designing floating homes and communities. These structures are not only resistant to flooding, but they also have minimal impact on the environment. It's a testament to human ingenuity and our ability to adapt to changing circumstances. The summers will be hotter, low May temperatures also may dip, heavy rainfall may happen in a short span, lightning strikes may increase. Yet while these solutions are promising, they are not enough to reverse the effects of global warming on their own. It's going to take a collective effort. Think about the choices you make every day. Opt for public transport or cycling over driving. Choose local, seasonal produce to reduce the carbon footprint of your meals. Switch off electronics when they're not in use. Make a conscious effort to reduce, reuse, recycle. Remember, every action counts. The journey to a cooler planet begins with you. So, as you go about your day, consider the impact of your actions. Make choices that are kinder to our planet. Because it's not just about coping with global warming. It's about creating a world where we, and the generations to come, can thrive. This is an abridged article by Dr. P. Sriram of Visakhapatnam, India. Thank you. Be in tune with the global changes.